pleasing and happy for me, because the client's so much happier when we place a crystal on, or no longer worried and afraid of they're gonna catching anything at all. So now I'm gonna check. Okay, and I'm gonna check around and doing some little exam, and you feel scratchy right there or anywhere, make sure you squeeze it. And then this one is, I have to really extremely be careful because it's nothing but crystal. So we want to make sure we're gonna squeeze exactly where we want it. We don't want to be overflowed. The crystal, I'm sorry, I might tilt the nails though, you might not seeing it straight, but hold on, let me. And usually each time I squeeze just a little bit, but I'm not squeezing it until I feel the scratchy spots. Like I'm gonna do some exam and make sure that I feel it in. When I feel scratchies, and I'm gonna squeeze the precision glues, then it's gonna feel right into the cracks, gaps in the edges of the crystal in between them, and it feel in for me, and it blend it out automatically. So then I don't have to worry about. And you don't need to squeeze a lot, just a little go a long way, because I don't want it to flood it all the tiny little crystal. That's how it makes this the nail shine the most. And just make sure this. And if you want to be really details, like me, I'm so OCD, and I make sure I'm blending this so it won't look lumpy at all. Even though it's clear nails, but we can still seeing it. Great. And if you're doing this for the customer, even though I know it's a clear nails, I always make sure I coat underneath. Well, this is like the nails, you see you're doing half of it underneath. So then that way it make it even look sparkle. Still some wax residue, but I'm not worried about it. After like here, I'm gonna wipe it off with the alcohol. So you cure for 60 seconds, and that's it. This nails is beautiful done. So it doesn't matter what shape you're using for the completely blinged out nails, as long as you place them really close together, it make it look so much balanced, and it bling out nicely without look cluttery. So even like if you're doing, for instance, if you're doing this nails with this shape, I mean that perfect drop, you can place them like that, or you can place them. I don't know how big the client's nails is. It might be too big for this. I would do like that 3, you know, if they want to get the special shape. So, and okay, so here's the thing. So when you are consult with the clients, here is some tip and trick I would like to share. So if the clients are asking like, okay, Nancy, I would like to get a lot of different shape on it. So you're gonna consult with the clients. It's the price for the special shape. It's gonna be different from price for bling out like AB. So like if AB, you completely the shape is round ABs, the price gonna be different. Like for instance, if you bling out nails with all the shape, it's gonna be $30 or $25. However, it's your salon location chalks. But then with this one, it's gonna be that it's still blinged out, but bring your nails a price down like probably $20 instead of $30, because the similar is bling out all together, but the different is the shape. And then you pay extra more for your supplies for the shapes. Also that, you know, if you're doing the special shape, it take you a little bit more skill and detail to do that. So then yes, it take you a little bit longer times, and it take you more for your supplies. So you want to make sure you explain to clients, so then they can have the option of choosing a basic AB, or I mean the regular shape of AB, or they can do